We talked about mindset, we talked about emotional load. Now, let's talk about AI-Driven Leadership ROI, return on investment, the kind that actually shows up in your calendar and in your life. Because you are a manager, you were hired for your vision, your judgment, and your ability to lead people. So, why are you still spending a huge amount of time on admin a week? Those draining, repetitive tasks don't even need your level of expertise. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on the 6 AI use case areas inside my Thrive Forward AI integration model. They are designed especially for women leaders to help you move from being a task manager into an AI-driven visionary. And yes, this is how you are gonna be able to claim 5+ hours every single week. Stay with me until the end because I'm going to show you the efficiency trap. That psychological mistake that steals those hours right back. And I'll show you how to protect your CEO power hour so it actually changes your life. In my previous videos, we focus on the inner game, your mindset, your response to stress. We also even named emotions. This video is about the outer game. These are the practical agentic AI workflows that create real white space in your calendar. And as we go, I will give you the exact copy-paste prompts to use for each case. Let's be honest about what's happening. When you spend your day writing emails, chasing updates, and sitting in meetings that could have been finished in a 10-second summary, you don't just lose time. You lose your presence at dinner. You lose your patience with your kids because your brain is fried. You lose connection with your partner because you are still replying to those pings at 9 p.m. The goal of using AI isn't to make you a faster worker. It's to give you your life back. So, when I say ROI or return on investment, I'm not talking about money or a spreadsheet. For women in leadership, ROI means energy. Energy buys you better decisions, firmer boundaries, and better health. Our target is simple: 5+ hours reclaim of energy. And here is the golden rule: AI drafts, you decide. Think of AI as your executive agent, or as I mentioned in the past, your overconfident intern. It does the first pass, the sorting, the summarizing. You still bring the human soul, judgment, empathy, accountability, the expertise. Those are skills that AI cannot replace. So here are the 6 Thrive Forward AI use cases. Number 1, strategic planning and decision making. Stop reading long reports end to end. Leadership isn't reading more, it's deciding better. Your AI agent here is your executive analyst. Try this prompt. Act as my executive analyst. Summarize the content below into key insights, risks, or red flags. Give me a recommendation for the decision and 3 questions I should ask in the meeting to show up my understanding. Just copy and paste. This alone can give you back around 60 minutes a week. Use case number 2, communication and influence. This is where the rewrite spiral ends. Stop over-explaining to avoid being misunderstood. Your AI agent here is your communications director. Try this prompt. Draft a confident, direct message about this topic, audience, executive, or team. Use the tone you want to use, warm but authoritative. Include the ask and the deadline. Give me 2 versions, one more empathetic and one more assertive. This is gonna be able to give you 40 minutes more a week. Use case number 3, time and energy management. Stop multitasking and start batching. Your AI agent here is your chief of staff. Here are my priorities. Here are my fixed meetings. Create a realistic weekly plan that protects 2 90-minute deep work blocks and schedule admin for low energy windows. Output as a time-blocked schedule. This is gonna be able to give you around 90 minutes back a week. Use case number 4, visibility and thought leadership. For women, visibility is protection. If they don't see your impact, they can't reward it. Your AI agent here is your personal brand manager. Here is the prompt. Turn these rough notes of my weekly wins into a 3-sentence executive update for my boss and a wins and impact log for my performance review. Tone, grounded, and high impact. This adds another 30 minutes more a week. Use case number 5, AI Fluency and future-proofing. Don't use tools. Understand the shift. Your AI agent here is your innovation coach. Here is the prompt. Based on my role, suggest 3 high-impact AI workflows I can automate this month to save 2 hours. Include risks I could watch for. This prevents tool hopping and saves at least 30 minutes a week. And last but not least, use case number 6, emotional intelligence and coaching. This is the use case that many want to skip. Use AI to regulate before you communicate. Your AI agent here is your leadership and emotional intelligence coach. Here is the prompt. Coach me through a difficult conversation with this person about this issue. Ask me 5 clarifying questions. Then draft 3 boundary phrases and 3 empathy phrases in case they get defensive. This saves hours of rumination and replay. Now, let's talk about the efficiency trap. Here is the danger. You finally go those 5 hours back and your brain panics. Because as women, we are conditioned to be the helper. If we get a free hour, we feel guilty. So we fill it with another meeting, another project, another yes. That's the efficiency trap. If you fill the space, you are not a leader. You are just a faster hamster in the wheel. With all respect, and I've been a hamster too, and sometimes I still am. So I completely get it. Now, the future fit leader treats reclaimed time as a non-negotiable asset. We call it your CEO power hour. 1 hour a day or 5 hours a week that you need to reinvest into yourself. Yes, you. Your body. Movement so you don't lead on fumes. Your vision. Deep thinking time so you can actually strategize. And your century. Being fully present with your family or with your own space and in your own peace. I'm going deeper into each of these. Starting next week, I'm launching a series to help you master 1 by 1 use case at a time. Subscribe so you don't miss it. And if you want all 18 of my Thrive Forward model prompts and the full AI integrated leadership blueprint, you can go right now and download the full blueprint in the link in the description below. I just have a question for you. What will you do with your very first CEO Power Hour? Let me know in the comments. Stop surviving your role and start mastering your life and thrive. I'll see you soon.